Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Ask Me Anything on Snapchat story. First of all, you have to update your Snapchat application and then open your Snapchat application. Now go to this chat section and click on this camera icon below and you will see these filters. So you have to tap on this explore button in the right hand side. Now click on search tab and search for Ask Me Anything. And now you have to scroll down and open this filter, Ask Me Anything. Then you have to wait a little bit to load. And now click on this icon and take a snap and capture the snap. Now you can edit a snap a little bit like this and click on this send to button. Now you send the streak to whoever you want to send it to. After sending the streak, go back and go for the chat section and open the streak, and as you can see, the streak I just sent has been delivered. So tell me in the comment section if you like the video or not. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.